Hey Charmers, it's your girl Steph B, and today we're talking about sneak peeks. So I have some spoilers here for you guys, so I'm gonna run through it really quickly. We're gonna do sneak peek number 1 and then the following. So the first product for sneak peeking is Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Ooh, super nice packaging. This is great for all skin types. Look at this, it's so cute. Oh, look at that. So nice. And it smells like berries. So if you love berries, you're gonna love this. And if you don't get this product, you will be receiving the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. Nice. And they come with thin pads inside, which is so great. They smell great. They smell like skincare. The next one is the Hourglass Flash Highlighting Stick Vanish. And this one is in the shade Champagne Flash. First of all, I love the packaging. This is bomb, okay? This is sleek, this is sexy, this is nice right here. Ooh, very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a swatch. So this is the swatch, you guys. Very nice. Actually, I want to put some on. So let's do that really quickly. Alrighty, I'm back and I have a mirror. But I want to try this on. Ooh. I like it. So we're gonna go into our second sneak peek, which are 4 items. The first one is the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. This is perfect for the everyday person who wants to go from a day to night look. This is great, easy to use. You get so many different colors. You get 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. You get 9 different shades here. And these are so gorgeous. Alrighty, so our next one is from Jouer. It's a high pigment lip gloss with coconut oil. If you are a coconut gal, they are great for your lips. They are very nourishing, and it helps protect your lips, which is great. Now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 colors here with me, so you have to stay tuned for our full box reveal so you can see the rest. This is them. So nice. Ooh, this is so pretty. There's so many different colors for all skin tones. But what I love the most, you guys, is the packaging. Oh my goodness, I am such a sucker for packaging. Look at this packaging. It's so pretty, so nice, so sleek. Like, oh my goodness, I've never seen a package like this. This is the first time I've ever used Jouer. This smells good. So I'm not gonna try on every single color because you guys have to stay tuned for our full box review, and then you can see all the colors swatched. But these are all the colors. Again, I'll show you guys. These are nice. It smells good. It feels nice. I'm not kidding. These are a lip gloss, so I don't believe it dries matte. This is it. Look at that. So many beautiful colors. Now, for all my Gaga fans, we have House Laboratories. They are 2 shades, so you have to stay tuned for our full box review for the next shade. But this one I have right now is called Punk. And you guys, this is a liquid eyeliner. Again, look at the packaging. Oh, my goodness, I love this. I love this already. I love it already. Let's test this out. Wow. And that was me deep in it a little bit. Wow. Wow, very nice. This is ultra black right here. This is ultra black. I honestly can't wait to do a lip with this. And next is the Beauty Creations Cali Chic Eyeshadow Palette. This is very nice. I love these, I love these. Like, I literally want to swatch something. So I'm gonna swatch Boardwalk. Whoa! Whoa, I was not expecting that. Wow. That was nice. Gonna go ahead and swatch Malibu. I mean, my goodness. I want to swatch Beach Babe. Okay, now. Okay, stop. Just stop. My goodness. This is a bomb palette. This is by Beauty Creations, you guys. Cali Chic Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know about you, but I'm here for this. I am totally here for this. Alrighty guys, so now we're at sneak peek number 3. The next product is the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm definitely in need of a primer. This is in the shade number 44. Honestly, this is just enough for you because you don't really need a lot of eyeshadow primer. Very nice. It has a nice sheen glow to it, and I like the way it's already drying. Feels very nice and smooth, honestly. So the next product is the Trusty Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon. This comes in 3 different shades, and we have Toffee, Porcelain, and Biscuit. I'm gonna open all these shades for you guys. Very nice. So the crayons are at the top, and then we have the sponges, which you're gonna use to help blend it on the side. Very nice. So all in all, your product looks like this. We're gonna go ahead and put this to the test. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyebrow. It cleaned up nicely, to be honest. I like it because it acts as if it's like a brush and a concealer on top of it already. That way you don't need a brush and a concealer. So you have like this sponge at the end to blend it, and then you have the crayon right here to really pinpoint exactly where you want this conceal to go. I like it. It just makes things a lot more easier. Alrighty guys, so that's it for all spoilers for May's base box. Stay tuned for some next spoilers coming up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And bye you guys.